Importance of fresh air in your home and life. Hello friends. Today we will talk about the importance of fresh air in your home and life. Fresh air can be simply described as the air which is outside and pleasant to breathe. Without air, man will die, and it is the most essential element for man and animals which is needed to sustain life. One may live for weeks without food or a day or two without water, but deprived of air he or she will perish within minutes. As we know, oxygen is an important component of life, and fresh air is a free gift that we need to breathe freely. The overall health of your body and mind depends upon the amount of pure and fresh air breathed. But nowadays people usually tend to forget about the importance of spending time outside and underestimate the health benefits of spending time outdoors. The health experts have highly recommended taking a break from the indoor air and go out to enjoy the fresh air. There are many health benefits of fresh air, such as it improves the cleansing action of your lungs. It brings greater clarity to the brain, as when we breathe fresh air you can automatically think better as compared to when we think inside a room for a longer period of time. It is good for digestion. It helps to digest food. Experts say to walk outside after you eat. It improves blood pressure and health rate. It lightens the mood and promotes a sense of well-being and happiness. Makes you feel relaxed and refreshed. It makes the immune system strong. It purifies the blood and thereby keep all tissue and organs healthy. It is, therefore, very important to let your house breathe, because the house that is sealed up can cause problems. In attempting to save energy and reduce our heating costs, we sometimes make our homes too airtight. For a house to be healthy, it needs to drive out the moisture and other gases from inside the room and take in a constant supply of fresh air from outside. For example, when the fuel-burning appliance in your house does not get enough fresh air and fails to completely burn the fuel, carbon monoxide is produced. Instead, if the ventilation is damaged or blocked and you have a powerful kitchen fan, bathroom fan, or open fireplace, then carbon monoxide can be drawn back inside the house. For example, in large cities, finding fresh and clean air is not an easy task, as the natural freshness of the air is ruined by city smog, tobacco smoke, recirculating air in buildings, improper ventilation, exhaust, and many other pollutants. Therefore, they need to find a garden or park with plenty of plants and trees to enjoy the fresh air. Good quality air can also be found in large quantities around the seashore, beaches, and of course forests. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Lard's channel, How to Make Home.